B. We have D. Welcome back to Mrs. Reading Corner. And in today's video, we are going to look at single sounds, long sounds, and double blends. So we are going to start with the single sounds. The single sounds are basically the sounds of the alphabet. So these are our single sounds. Let's write here the single sounds. So we are going to say the sounds. That is A, B. We say it again from A, B. Then we have K. We are going to write them at random. We are not going to follow the order. We have S, T. We have D, A, S, N, O. We have R, Z. We have O. That is W. We have Y. Let's say them again. We have A, B, K, D, M, S, A, R, N, S, U. We have here Z. We have O. Then we have this E. We have this one here. Good. Everyone, good. It's good. So these are our single sounds. So can you say it again with their actions? We even have Z. I hope I've not forgotten any other. So, but it's basically the sounds of the alphabet. If any is missing, include that, okay? So let's go. We say it with the actions. If any other is missing, we can add it. We go A, B, K. We have D, M, S, T. A. A is like this. So we have R is like this. That is the action. We have S. Then E. Then we have E. Z. A. G. G. So girl. O. Z. Z. So we are getting some. We have here, we said we will keep on adding. We have that one. It is P. So if any other is missing, include that. Okay? So these are our single sounds. So we're going to erase, and go to the long sounds. Let's go to the long sounds. Now, the long sounds can be the sounds of, can be the long vowels, and then others are not vowels. Okay? So we are grouping them. We're just going to call them our long sounds. So we're going to go slowly and we read through our long sounds. Our first long sound is that. That one we're going to say who. Who. Everyone, you can repeat and say who. Then we have this long sound. It's also a long vowel. This is a long vowel. This is also a long vowel. And this is E. E. You say E because it is long. So each sound has words under them. So we are going to look at the words later. But for now, we are going to only say the sound. We learn the sounds. We have this. We have this. Do you want to know how we say that? We say O. We say O. When you see this in a word, don't say O. It's just O. Okay, let's go. Then I have this for you. You have that sound. So when you find this in a word, we're going to say aim. Aim. Okay? Make it a bit long. Then we have another one here. This is a long vowel. This is also a long vowel. And this one is also. So another one is like this. I'm going to first put for you the long vowel. Then you go to the long sound. So we have E. This sounds the same as in this, okay? But we have different words for them. We have E for the word live, being, and so many other words. Then we have E for tree, for teen, for sin, and so many words that we shall get under this. But for now, just learn the sound. Then we have this long vowel, that sound. So how are we going to say this sound? We're going to say ow, ow, as in the word house, mouse, and so many other words that you're going to get from me, okay? So this is also a long vowel sound. Then we have another one here. So we are going to say O here in some words. So in some words you are going to say U. So in other words you will see it written like this. A dash O. Okay, as in the word nose, meaning there are some letters in between. So for now, let's say O. Okay? As in the word to and so many other words. Now, those are our long vowels, but we have also this. So when you find this sound, you say I. You say I, as in the word tie, tie, die, and you'll give me other words, okay? So when you read this sound, you're going to say I. It's a long vowel as well. Let's look at other vowel sounds. Other long vowels. I hope they are not done. So these are basically long vowels. Let's also include other long sounds that are non-vowel sounds. We have this sound here. If you find this sound in a word, what are you going to say? Are you going to say air? No. This sound is R. R. Like in the word better. Like in the word better. And so many other words that will give me. So just say R. Okay? Then we have other sounds. Like this. This one follows the sound of the way they are. The sound of the letters. Like R. Okay? It's also a long sound. Then we have this one here. When you meet this, you'll say A. A. Like the one they. Yeah. So I have another long sound here. So you're going to meet this sound in different words. So we're going to say R, like this one here. We're going to say here R, like the word girl, the word dirt, the word shirt, even dirty. So when you meet this sound, you're going to say R, okay? So that is it. That is also one of our long sounds. I have another one here. I have that sound. So what am I going to say? Here we're going to say A, like this one here. Okay, they sound the same. Everyone, you can say A. A for play, day, way. You can name them. So many words. You can get so many words under sound A. Okay? So which other sound are we going to look at? Let's see. I have one more here. The rest you'll find out. I have that one. So here we're going to say or. Just follow the sound of the two letters, okay? Or. So we say or. That wasn't our last, sorry. We're going to say our last sound for today. Our last sound is that. So, how are we going to say this sound? We're going to say ow. Ow, like the word now, the word how, okay? And the name other words, okay? Thank you so much. Now, let's go through our sound together, through our long sounds together. Let's go. Ooh. Again. Ooh. E. O. A. E. Ow. O. I. R. R. A. R. Sorry. A. Not they, sorry. A. R. A. Or and ow. Wow. Those are our long sounds. Let's go to another thing. Let's go to our double blends. We said today we are looking at single sounds, long sounds, and double blends. Now we are on double blends. Let's write it here. Double blends. Now, for the double blends, we are looking at sounds that are consonants. Two consonant sounds together. They can be initial double blends or ending blends, okay? But here we're looking at only two consonants moving together. We talked about the consonants if you're following our video. So, we are here with a double blend. I have this blend. That is st. So we're going to say st. You just follow the sound of the letters and put them together. Let's go slowly. Together they will form st. Okay? I have another one here. So go with the sound of your letter. So together they will say okay? There's another one here. There's so many. Brr. So, if you find this together, these two consonants together, you don't say k. No, it is like it's chop, chop, chair, chat. Okay, and other words. So when you find that, say I have another one here. When you see this double blend, are you going to say no? You're going to say like you're stopping a baby from making noise, you're crying. Okay? That is our sound, our double blend. I have this one. This is purr. Let's go quick. Fur. We have brr. Brr. And then this one here. Purr. We shall go through them again for you to learn. Purr. This is brr. Sp. We have fur. Then we have this one here. Don't get confused. This one will take this sound only. We say slowly, okay? Don't pronounce this. This is silent. Then I have this one here. So we are going to say th or th because it sounds in two ways, okay? You can say th for thank you, and you can say th for with. You can hear the difference. So I have this sound here, another sound here. Okay. Now this sound will take the sound of s. Okay? If you say this, don't say no. It will take the sound of letter S. So we are going to say s for this sound, okay? As in the word phone, the word physical, the word physics, and so on. Okay? So whenever you see this, you say, it's even in the word elephant. Okay? Elephant. Very good. Well done. And I have this sound here. Wow! Have you ever seen this sound? Have you ever seen this sound? So when you say this sound, you mean words with this sound, you're going to say, the K is silent, okay? The K is silent, like a sleeping baby. So you're going to say, you're going to only read here, okay? Like the word knife, the word knee, your knee, touch your knee. Then the word no, like I know you, okay? And so many other words have this sound. But when you mean it, say, just pronounce here. Only leave this is silent, okay? Now we go to another one, another blend, okay? This blend is at the end. And you're gonna say, okay? There are so many. Let's first erase this to give us space. To give us more space. Okay? Now, we have that. So when you find this, don't say, since Miss E has said, in that sound, we're going to say only N. And then you think this is only no. In this sound, you're just going to pronounce both of them. Like the word crab. You know the word crab? Yes. So we have this one here. When you meet this sound, this one here, just says, because they are the same letters. Even this we say So our last sound for today is this. Wow, well done. So our sound, stop. Okay? So those are our double blends. I hope you've learned them. I hope you go through them very well. This is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with different people.